this is Mary from the St. Charles City County Library. Today we're going to take a look at another lit kit. This one is called On the Farm Rhyme Time. It's recommended for children ages 3 and up. The purpose of this kit is to help children begin to understand rhyming, all while learning more about farm life. Let's start first by looking at the books. This kit has 2 books. The first is Down on the Farm. Each page has a simple rhyme that includes the sound an animal makes. For example, ducks come back, quack, quack, quack. Children love to make animal sounds and will easily join in with you as you read this book multiple times. Talking specifically with your child about how the words back and quack rhyme and having them repeat the words will help your child begin to understand the concept of rhyming. The second book is Cock-a-Doodle-Doo, Barnyard Hullabaloo. Each page has a short poem about a different farm animal. After reading the book through, go back and pick a page and reread the poem, helping your child figure out which words rhyme. Rhyming is a difficult concept for young children to learn, so feel free to simply point out which words rhyme and have your child repeat them. In the kit, we also have 2 toys. The first is a set of 8 farm animals. They're a nice big size, although they're not actually in proportion to each other, but your child won't likely care. They can be played with on their own, but you can also use them while you're reading the books, having your child find the animal that a particular page is talking about. And the last item in the kit is a puzzle made by Ebu called Rhyming Words Puzzle Pairs. This toy won the Gold Seal Oppenheim Best Toy Award. The box contains 50 puzzle pieces that pair up to make 25 rhymes. This is considered a pre-reading game, so your child does not need to know how to read in order to play it. Each piece can only pair with its rhyming match, and the background color on each set matches, which will help your child to pair them up. There are 25 different background colors. After making a match, have your child say the names of the objects like sock and block so that they can hear how they rhyme. You can also point out how the last 2 or 3 letters of the words also match. There are also some more ideas on the back of the box, including how to turn it into a game for 2 or more players. So, give a lit kit a try. It's free, it's fun, and it's available at the library.